You're looking at Lesson 5, Distributive Properties Using Negative Numbers, Simplifying Pre-Algebraic Expressions. Now remember the rule, right? With two numbers, the rules for multiplying, dividing positive and negative numbers are not only simple, but they're also the same for both operations. When multiplying or dividing two numbers, if the two signs are the same, the result is positive. So negative times a negative is a positive, okay? And if the two signs are different, the result is negative. Negative times a positive is a negative. Now what we've done here, we've provided for you two examples plus 4 problems. And the reason for, because we figured we'd give you enough space here to figure out the answers, okay? But let's look at example A. Here we have negative 7x plus 5 times x minus 10 equals negative 74. Okay, so here's your negative 7x plus 5 times x is plus 5x minus, and this is a negative 10, so minus 50 equals negative 74. Then we're going to take your 7x, your negative 7x plus your 5x, which will give you a negative 2x minus 50 equals 74. Negative 2x equals 24. And how that came up is this is now going to subtract negative or add positive 50 to this side, add it over here, and we have 24. So x or 2 goes into 24, 2 times for 12. Let's look at this one. 5x plus 6 times 2x minus 9 equals negative 224. Okay, 5x plus, now 6 times 2 is 12x minus, and 6 times 9 is 54 equals 224. Okay, now 5x plus 12x equals 17x minus 54 equals negative 224. And 17x equals, now we're going to add a positive here, right? So positive added to a negative is a negative 170. So divide 17 to 170, x equals 10. Okay, you'll notice what we've done here is we've provided for you some spaces to allow you to answer all these questions. And we're solving for x. And if you would, please pause the video, complete the work, and then play the video, and we will provide you with the answers. If you would, pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. Let's see how well you did. All right, here we have negative 3x plus 3 times negative 4x plus 11, and it's equal to 183. So to simplify that, we take, here's negative 3x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12x. Plus 33 equals 183. Then we're going to take our negative 3x, and we have negative 12x. By the rule, it's going to be 15x, or negative 15x, plus 33 equals 183. Negative 15x equals 150. How does that come about? Well, we subtract negative 33 from this side and negative 33 from that side. And then we divide 150 by 15, negative 15, and so x equals negative 10. Okay, let's look at this one. Here we have negative 4x plus 7 times negative 2x minus 17 equals 43. Okay, negative 4x minus 7 times negative 2x is positive times a negative is negative 14x minus 7 times 17 is 119 equals 43. Negative 4x plus 14x is negative 18x. Remember, they're like, so you add them together. Minus 119 equals 43. Okay, so here we're going to add 119 to this side. We must add it to that side. So 119 plus 43 is 162. Then we have negative 18x. Divide negative 18 into 162. It's a negative. So we have negative x equals negative 9. Okay, scroll down to this one. And here we have 2x plus 5 times negative 3x minus 10 equals 40. 2x, now we have 4 times negative 3, so 3x, so it'll be 12x, and 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, equals 40. Then we add we had positive 2x to negative 12x. Positive and a negative is negative 10x. Minus 40 equals 40. Okay, so 10x equals, we add 40 to this side, right? So you have to add it over here, so it's 80. And we divide negative 10 into 80, and it is negative 8. And the last one. Okay, negative 2x minus 6 times x plus 11 equals negative 106. All right, let's simplify it. We have negative 2x, and we have 6 times negative x. So 6 times negative x is negative times a negative is a positive. So we have 6x plus 6 times 11 is 66 equals negative 106. Then we take negative 2x, right? And we're going to subtract it from a positive 6x. So now we have 4x equals negative 66, and it equals negative 106. Okay, 4x equals, now we're going to add 66 to this side, so we have to add it over here. Negative 106, and we have plus 66 equals negative 40. So 4 goes into 40 10 times. So since this is a negative, we have x equals negative 10. Okay, I hope you did well. And I know we went through a lot here, but it's same basic rules all the way through. Thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.